Though it may be difficult to break away from long-standing habits, it is not impossible. By understanding the 4 stages of habit formation, cue, craving, response, and reward, I can gain insight into why I have certain habits and how to make the desired changes. For example, if I find myself succumbing to cravings for unhealthy snacks, I can identify the cue that sparks the urge and replace it with a healthier alternative. By doing so, I can still reap the reward of a snack, but without the detrimental effects. Unearthing the stimuli that initiate your detrimental habits is essential to avoiding them. Triggers for our memories can range from the time of day, a location, or even a person. Identifying the sources of your bad habits can be the key to keeping them at bay. As time passes, the cues that spark your undesirable habits may evolve, so it is essential to stay alert and aware of any changes. Do you ever feel an overwhelming urge to take action? By recognizing the motivations behind our bad habits, we can find healthier alternatives to satisfy our cravings and break the cycle of unhealthy behavior. However, it is important to be aware that cravings may be indicative of a deeper issue that needs to be addressed, such as a lack of self-discipline or an emotional need. With dedication and willpower, we can overcome these cravings and take control of our lives. When we encounter a cue or craving, it is important to be mindful of our response. Replacing our unhealthy reaction with a healthier alternative can be beneficial to our well-being, but it may not always be easy. Although our detrimental habits can be detrimental to our well-being, it is important to recognize the potential benefits they can offer, making it worthwhile to be mindful of them. Once we become aware of the advantages, we can seek out healthier alternatives to reap the same rewards. Gaining insight into the 4 stages of habit formation can help you make positive changes in your life. To start, identify the cue that triggers the habit. Then, recognize the pattern associated with the habit. This could be any action, thought, or behavior. Additionally, understanding the reward that comes with the habit can be beneficial. This could be a feeling of satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment, or a tangible reward. Finally, persistently hone the new habit until it becomes second nature. You could try reinforcing the new habit by repeating it multiple times, or set up reminders to ensure you stay on track. Breaking old habits and forming new ones can be difficult, so be understanding and compassionate towards yourself throughout the process. If you're looking to form new habits or break existing ones, implementing reminders or visual prompts in your environment can be an effective tool to help you stay on track. Strategically placing reminders in your environment can increase your chances of adhering to the desired habit. However, this strategy may not be suitable for everyone. Some may find it too distracting, while others may struggle to recall the reminders. If you're looking to form a new habit, why not make it more enjoyable by associating it with something you enjoy doing? For example, if you're looking to get your body moving, why not listen to your favorite music while exercising? This can add an element of excitement to the activity and help to keep you motivated. On the other hand, if the activity doesn't bring you pleasure, it can be difficult to maintain the habit. So, it's important to find an activity that brings you joy and link it to the new habit you're trying to form. This approach can help you stay motivated and make the habit a part of your life for the foreseeable future. However, it's important to note that this strategy may not work for everyone. Some people may find it difficult to break a habit into smaller chunks, or to remain motivated when taking baby steps towards their goal. If you're eager to get started, diving into the full habit right away may be the best option. Ultimately, it's essential to find the strategy that yields the most favorable results for you. Congratulations on recognizing and honoring your accomplishments and for staying the course. Acknowledging your successes is a great way to make the victory even more rewarding and fulfilling. Despite the potential for success, it is important to remain humble and vigilant, as success is not always guaranteed. If you're looking to break free from an old habit, eliminating the cues and cravings that cause it can be a powerful tool. By removing the allure, you make it more difficult to indulge in the habit. However, it's important to remember that this approach may not work for everyone. Some individuals may still be able to resist the urge even when exposed to triggers and desires. To ensure that the habit doesn't return in the future, it's important to stay aware and keep up with healthy habits. If you're looking to break free from an old habit, try associating it with something unpleasant. This could be the key to curbing your cravings and making it easier to break the habit. For example, if you have a habit of snacking on unhealthy foods, try to link it to something unpleasant, such as a bad taste or smell. However, it is important to note that this approach may not be effective for everyone. Despite the unpleasantness associated with it, some people may still find it difficult to break a habit. Breaking long-standing habits can be a difficult task, but taking the extra effort to make them more challenging to perform can be beneficial for your health. If you are trying to break the unhealthy snacking habit, consider moving the snacks to a higher shelf or storing them in a container that requires more effort to open. This approach may provide an additional layer of protection against the temptation of the habit. However, it is important to remember that this may not be successful for everyone, as some individuals may be more determined to maintain their customary practices. When it comes to deciding whether or not to reward yourself for completing tasks, it is ultimately up to you. Rewarding yourself can be a great way to stay motivated and feel a sense of accomplishment, so it is worth considering if you are looking for an extra boost of motivation. Imagine the incredible changes you could make in your life if you adopted a new habit. Incorporating a new habit can be a powerful way to improve your well-being, as it can help you form healthier habits and bring about positive transformations in your life. However, it is important to remember that forming a new habit can be a long and challenging process, and it may not always be easy to stay dedicated to it. I know it can be difficult to recognize when negative thoughts about ourselves arise, but it is so important to be aware of our inner dialogue. Replacing these pessimistic musings with more positive ones can be a powerful way to transform our lives. It may take some time to get used to this process, but it is essential to remain patient and consistently strive to replace negative thoughts with more optimistic ones. When I'm feeling overwhelmed, I take a deep breath and remind myself not to let stress take over. Taking small steps is the most effective way for me to tackle the task, as it allows me to focus on one step at a time instead of attempting to take on the entire challenge all at once. We all make mistakes while learning, and it's important to recognize and address them in order to keep growing. Don't be too hard on yourself. Use mistakes as a chance to learn and never give up. It may take more time than you expect, but with hard work and determination, you will eventually reap the rewards of your labor. Don't give up. With perseverance and commitment, you can make lasting changes in your life. If you're looking to break a bad habit, it's important to identify and eliminate any potential triggers that could cause it to resurface. This could include unhealthy snacks or people who may encourage it. By removing these distractions, you'll be better able to stay focused on your goal and remain on track. However, simply removing these triggers may not be enough to break the addiction. Having a plan to replace the bad habit with a healthier one, as well as a support system to keep you motivated, is essential for success. Though it may not be easy, I can make changes and cultivate healthier habits. To stay on the right track, I must understand the 4 phases of habit formation and follow the advice given. With dedication and determination, I can cultivate habits that will be beneficial in the long run. However, I must be aware that forming these habits may take some time and the path to success is rarely a straightforward one. Perseverance and dedication are essential for forming long-term habits.